Everybody has 24 hours. That's what makes everybody equal. The question is, what do you do with your 24 hours? The thing that helps us to stand out is how we manage our time. Time management means organizing your time smartly so that you use it more effectively. The benefits of good time management includes great productivity, less stress, and more opportunities to do the things that matters. Mind Tools offers a wealth of resources to improve your time management skills. They can help you to be more organized, to prioritize better, to schedule tasks appropriately, and then to complete them in a focused and efficient way. The first step is to divide your works into 4 parts. Now start your day with the work that is urgent and important to complete, because at the starting of the day we are more energetic and we have the courage to complete the big task, so eat that frog first. Now here comes our first challenge, that is to start. Most of us plan to do something but fails to implement. For that, we can trick our mind by making an excitement of giving a reward to ourselves at the end of the task. So when we feel lazy to start, that excitement of doing our favorite thing in the break time will boost up our energy. Now when we finally start doing our work, there are higher chances of getting distracted after a time span. For that, we should break our task into smaller tasks and then use Pomodoro method, which means study for 30 minutes and then have a break of 5 minutes, which can vary person to person. Some can concentrate for 20 to 25 minutes, so accordingly fix a time duration. This way is very effective to maintain consistency and helps in bringing our whole task to an end. Now step 5 is to take a break for a limited time period and try to relax your mind. Also keep in mind that when you are making a timetable, do not fix time, but while taking break, you must be very clear for how long you have to take rest, which means do not fix your limit like 2 to 3, I will be doing this task, then 3 to 4 another task, because it diverts our mind from study and we start staring towards clock just to complete those hours, and after that feel like we have done a great job but it results nothing. Rather than focus on quantity of work you need to complete in one shift, but while taking rest, always fix time like rest for an hour or 2. Otherwise, you will lost in a world of joy and will no longer be interested in coming back to your desk for completing the next task. So you should have a foundation that can help you getting back to your work. Here the next challenge arises when you have to get back to your study again. So start with the task you are interested in and which is very easy to complete. So here is the last step. As you all have overcome all your difficulties, just try to follow this for 21 days. That will help you in making a habit of managing your time properly and more efficiently. And this habit will help you lifelong in every field. Here are some additional tips. Always try to have a healthy routine, healthy diet. Keep yourself hydrated. Meditate to relax your mind so that you can be more productive. Keep yourself healthy, physically as well as mentally. Hope this video is helpful for you. Good luck and start working on it. This will surely gonna help you. Thank you.